Hello everyone, welcome to Dom's World TV, the cooking and math tutorial channel. Stay tuned for the exciting video.
Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve this arithmetic problem using the PEMDAS in correct order to get the correct answer of the problem. Before we begin to solve, let's define first the meaning of PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis. E stands for exponent. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Okay, let's begin. We will write first the problem. First, simplify the number with exponents. Second, solve the numbers inside parentheses. Third, do the multiplication. And lastly, do the division. Okay, so 484 is the final answer.
Hope you liked, learned and enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, also like, share and hit the bell to receive the latest and hottest math video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.